Masses of mystery float around in space, something we've always had questions about but zero answers to, until now. Join us in this video as we get you up to date with what scientists have just announced about their discoveries inside black holes, and trust us, this one's about to get crazy. The journey began with the first black hole, which started in 1916 when Albert Einstein introduced his general theory of relativity. He was the first to predict that black holes even existed, though the term black hole wouldn't become official until around 50 years later. While some scientists embraced Einstein's theory, others were skeptical until Cygnus X1 was found in the late 1960s. Researchers studying the Cygnus constellation noticed an oddly bright blue star emitting X-rays, and this star wasn't stationary, it was orbiting a massive, invisible object. Further research revealed that the X-rays weren't moving freely, they were being sucked into this mysterious entity. This marked the moment when science had official proof that black holes existed, though no one realized how much crazier things were about to get. The discovery of Cygnus X1 led to numerous other findings, and before long, it was estimated that there may be as many as 100 million black holes in the Milky Way galaxy alone. However, because black holes are incredibly difficult to detect, the exact number remains uncertain, though it's likely in the millions. This only makes them more intriguing to study. According to most physicists, a black hole is a place where anything entering it is compressed astronomically until it becomes a singularity. In simpler terms, if someone were to fall into a black hole, they would be stretched into the shape of spaghetti, slowly dying before reaching their final form. Despite this terrifying concept, black holes continue to captivate scientists and the public alike, even though the closest one to Earth is 1,500 light-years away. This naturally leads to the question, can black holes swallow the Earth? In 2021, scientists were able to release the first clear photograph of a black hole, M87. Over several nights, researchers captured more images and gathered new information about black holes. They discovered that black holes are not just one single, gaping hole of nothingness. Instead, they have three distinct layers, the outer and inner event horizons, followed by the singularity. The event horizon is a boundary surrounding the black hole. Once something crosses it, escape becomes impossible due to the immense gravitational pull. If an object makes it past the outer event horizon, it gets pulled deeper toward the singularity, where all matter is compressed to a single point. Physics as we know it doesn't function inside a black hole, and each one is unique, meaning the gravitational pull of one black hole can be entirely different from another. This unpredictability adds to the mystery, making black holes difficult to study. One of the biggest challenges in studying black holes is that they can't be observed in the same way as stars or planets. Scientists can only study black holes by analyzing the radiation they emit, along with the dust and gas surrounding them. Sending probes like Voyager into a black hole isn't an option either, as they would get crushed into nothingness upon reaching the singularity. This leaves scientists with limited options for studying these incredibly powerful 3D phenomena in space, forcing them to rely on 2D observations. But this hasn't stopped researchers from developing theories about black holes. Some scientists believe that black holes may not just be masses of nothingness. Instead, they could be gateways to other galaxies or universes. It's possible that black holes are a glitch in the matrix, and if we could travel faster than light, we might be able to explore what lies beyond. On the opposite end of the spectrum, some scientists propose theories that black holes may not even exist in the way we think. Enrico Rinaldi, a scientist in Tokyo, believes that black holes might actually be holograms. Using quantum matrix models, Rinaldi and his team suggest that instead of focusing on the singularity, we should be analyzing the space and time around the black hole. They theorize that black holes may operate more like rings, constantly growing stronger as they consume matter, and potentially posing a threat to planets like Earth if they move closer. Despite these challenges, scientists are now closer than ever to understanding black holes. While we know that the singularity is a place where nothing can survive, ongoing research could reveal that black holes hold the key to intergalactic travel, or entirely new galaxies. For now, we'll have to wait for more discoveries, but we're closer than ever before to unraveling these mysteries. What do you think is inside black holes? Do you agree with the scientists' theories, or do you have ideas of your own? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. We'll see you next time.